Hi, and welcome to the course. My name is Nick, and I've been a professional photographer and filmmaker for more than 40 years, specializing in close-up and macro. My photos have been published in books, newspapers, magazines and calendars around the world. My video footage has been shown on television internationally, including National Geographic and Discovery channels. To me, taking macro photos like these is the most fascinating and satisfying field of photography, literally opening hidden worlds, as well as new challenges, for the keen photographer. By the end of this course, you too will be shooting breathtaking images that until now you've probably only dreamed of. Successful close-up and macro demand skill, knowledge of equipment, and attention to detail, as well as patience. But today, thanks to digital technology, it's never been easier to master those skills. Cameras, lenses, lighting, and computer processing have advanced to such an extent that, with the help from courses like this one, success is now within the reach of any photographer. Let's face it, no matter how sophisticated your equipment, the main aim is to take stunning close-up and macro photographs. In this course, I'll show you step by step how to do just that.